Hi guys, as you can probably already tell by the sound of my voice, and I'll probably keep sniffing all the way through this video, I have got quite a bad cold. I've got a really sore throat every time I just kind of eating food. If I swallow it, then for some reason my throat burns. I've got a really bad headache because of me keep sniffing, and it's just feels rubbish, to be honest. There's no other way of saying it. If you've got a cold around this time, I know how you feel. And for those of you who've got a cold, that you have the same kind of symptoms, then you know I'm feeling. So when you feel ill, best thing to do probably is just to sit and relax. So I'm sitting and relaxing, doing the story for Back on Track episode 4. So that might not come out till the beginning or middle of next month, or it might be the end of this month if this cold clears up. Because I don't want to be recording a film like Back on Track or a series where I sound really depressed while saying it, because I really do enjoy Back on Track. This one's about Alan. I haven't featured Alan for about 2 episodes. This one's got slightly more action in it. There's going to be a bit of a crash. Very rare to see a crash on the railways, but I wanted to add this one in just because I can. So here it is. I haven't completely finished it yet. This is only the first couple seconds. Just turn over. And there it is. It's going to be called Speeding. And I am probably going to get a new camera, hopefully soon, because the focus on this one doesn't seem to work. It has been going for quite a long time. I'll give it that. What can I show you? Oh yes, if you just come over here. I have recently been doing some weathering, and just move all these out of the way. I have a milk wagon, which I believe people call square wheeled, which is basically, as it goes along, it kind of has what I call a limp. So it kind of either wobbles or goes up and down. And because of that, this one tends to derail quite a lot. So, like that. So, like I was saying, I've to the very extreme weathered it, like extremely weathered it. So soon I might go over it again, but it's got scratches in the name. I have completely taken out the tension lock couplings. I have gone as far as painted the wheels, put rust marks on it. The buffer beams are rusted. It's got the white dents on the buffers, and having it compared to, say, that blue circle tanker in the background, as you can tell, it's a lot different. So because I've painted it, it doesn't roll as well, but it is just going to be very stationary. It's only going to be on the very rare occasion that it's actually going out and about, to guess. I have weathered many of my other rolling stock. This one you've already seen weathered. My large 21 ton, I believe, mineral wagon. My other 21 ton mineral wagon, if you come over here. My Triang vent van fish wagon, or fine fish liveried vent van. Obviously it doesn't pick that well up on camera, plus it's quite dark outside. Push these back. The shell tanker has been weathered for a very long time. It was the first rolling stock I ever well, actually no, that's a lie. That one's the first one I ever weathered. Silurian is running around at the minute. Well, not running, but you know what I mean. This will be coming out of the Back on Track series because Back on Track is based in 1953, but my layout is based in 1950 to 1960, the 1950s and 1960s, should I say. So on my layout it will stay. In the series it's gone. At the minute I don't know whether I'll put that on there or whether I might have a new engine, like a scrapped steam engine on there. I don't know. There's Daniel, or my standard class 4. This is no longer a Scotsman shed. This was just going to hold the Flying Scotsman, but because I'm obviously going to redo all this, so it's it's obviously, not obviously, I keep saying obviously, I'm going to have a 4-road track section here, and then I'll have a backman shed, and then next to it I'll have this little shed for Alan, because he's the shunter, so he'll have to be able to get out quickly to shunt trains. So if we just go down, you can't see a thing underneath there. Apart from that, those are my books. So the Railway Modeller magazines, some train books, British steam engines, Hornby magazines, Airsoft magazines. But anyway, I am selling the turntable, which is there, and then there are 2 boxes which you can see at the back, shadows. That one holds all my Backman Thomas the Tank stuff, and that one holds all the extra Ertl cars and any accessories, Blue Mountain Mysteries in there as well. And then over here you actually have, if I just go, and here's some weathering accessories and things that I don't tend to use anymore. So there you have Thomas, Alan and Stuart, Seagull and Scott. So there are the boxes at the back, and there's the turntable. That is the power box back there, some airsoft gas, and that's it really. Back above, so that's it. I know I've updated it a couple days ago or a day ago, I can't remember. I know I updated it a day ago, but I just wanted to let you know that Back on Track will be delayed, and also the little cleanup I've had down here. I know it's not major, and I didn't really need to post it, but I felt like I needed to post something, because I just wanted to. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you when my cold has cleared up.